Med STUDENT360 får virksomhederne en effektiv mulighed for at kunne få fat i studerende og egentlig få en mulighed for at se deres kompetencer. Jeg tror, at værktøjet bliver godt både for studerende og virksomheder.
Hi everybody! First of all, thanks for clicking that play button. Second of all, let me tell you a little bit about our background. We created, for the first time in Denmark, a platform for self-expression by students for students in the form of a printed magazine distributed nationally. We wanted to do much more than being just a journalistic company and decided to go on a longer journey, taking Revolve magazine to the next level. The idea was called STUDENT360, and we first describe it as the online platform students in Denmark should know about. Here we are, striving to make a difference in the academic and social life of students in Denmark. We will always try to revolve 360 degrees around these two important topics.
I see what you did there. Because we used to be Revolve and you said 360. Get it, guys?
Come on, just now.
All of us are either students or graduates from different countries that believe in creating a national platform that on the long run will bring value for both students and companies.
What this means is that we identified certain undeniable facts which show why our project could definitely grow fast. 80% of jobs in Denmark are not published. 60% of HR time is spent on screening candidates. Since 2008, the number of foreign students coming to Denmark has been gradually increasing.
We all know how often less becomes more, and that's why we said to ourselves, we won't create another social network. What we do want to build is a national database of students and graduates to serve as a recruiting tool for companies to make the process faster and more efficient. This way, candidates get exposed to jobs that otherwise might not be available to them. Therefore, we won't start publishing other job descriptions that companies put out there.
An HR recruiter will only have to log onto the website, use a smart filtering tool, and search for candidates that fit the job description. Using keywords, the same way your browser does on the internet, a candidate will be called for an interview without him even contacting the company in the first place. Upon request, we can be part of the matchmaking process and contact candidates before an interview.
The only thing a candidate needs to do, besides creating a profile and uploading a CV, is activating the status, which means mentioning exactly what he or she is currently interested in. Is it an internship, a full or part-time job position? Whatever that may be, think about it as a marketplace of talents and skills for companies to headhunt from. Simple and efficient. Right now, we are building all the other things that will add extra value to our platform, and we'll start creating the database on the second half of this year. Our complementary value proposition results into centralizing all the information from several areas of student life into one platform. For example, you can select your academic city and get an insight into what it means to study there. We have already begun changing the perception of video CVs, and companies responded positively, saying that this way they have a better understanding of the people called in for an interview.